Hey guys, long time no see. Today on this beautiful winter's day. You never know it was winter, which is great.
Right. You're bloody damn right.
We've been having a winter like we've never had before, in the 30s and 40s mostly. Every time we get a little bit of snow, it melts. Just wonderful. So we're out exploring, checking out.
No dope in there.
No dope in there?
Nope.
Well, if you crawl in there, there will be. So we're out exploring some natural areas, waterfalls, etc., etc. So, oh wow, it looks like they're clearing this out. I wonder, maybe they'll make some campgrounds or something here.
Oh, they're just harvesting the wood.
Yeah, they're certainly clearing it all
So
out.
which way do we go?
I don't know. I don't know what's supposed to be here. There's obviously supposed to be a lake. Let's see, it looks like farm that way, so try this way, I guess. Yeah, the reviews said nice walking trail, but that must have been before they started ripping this all up. Bird of some kind up there. Where is he?
Go that way. No.
Oh.
Oh, somebody's been out here. Well, they got a lot of woodland benches out here, that's for sure.
Yeah. And you get these little places like this, there really doesn't seem to be much here. I wonder if anybody ever comes here. Oh, looks like a house right over there.
Yeah. Don't get much.
Oh, there's a little,
There's a little lake.
yeah, a little swampy lake,
I mean,
it looks like.
little lake.
So I don't know.
Big deer in the back here.
Yeah, some deer tracks. It looks like
That's the lake. This is a bummer.
yeah, it looks like we took the wrong trail.
No?
Because this one goes away from the lake. Ow.
I mean,
Unless it goes all the way, or it looks like it might go all the way around.
you can't go on the guy's property, so it's got to go.
Yeah. A very small natural area. Just a little bunch of trees with a tiny little lake in the middle of it.
That's
Huh.
what it?
That's just like weird. Well, sometimes these places you go explore just ain't what you were hope they would be, but still nice to get out and do some exploring. Looks like they're not done cutting trees down yet because a lot of them are still tagged. So I guess I wouldn't recommend anybody to come here until they're done with whatever the heck they're doing here.
Why not? You come here with a sandwich and just sit.
There's some nice birds singing though, or yelping or screaming, or let's just listen. I see.
Good squirrel.
Oh, see if I can catch him. Oh, he's in the rocks
He's
already.
gone now.
Yeah, he ain't sticking around. Nice playground over there if you're a squirrel, that's for sure. Hmm.
George.
George. Okay, well, let's head around to the next place, which is a place called Gilmore Falls. No, not Gilmore, Gilmer Falls.
Happy Gilmore.
Lots of acorns laying around.
Yeah, so there's a lot of juice right there.
Oh, they're starting to break up. Yay.
Slightly.
Slightly, yeah. Oh, yeah, a little patch of blue up there. Coolest.
Gee.
Yeah, it is.
Bone gee.
I'm hoping that sun comes out. It's supposed to get to 38 or 39.
Hey. Yeah, that sounds like.
Where is he? That's a woodpecker.
The other one sounds like sand cranes.
Maybe. Probably in that field, yeah. Yeah, you gotta wonder what the heck they're doing here.
No overnight camping.
Ah. Oh, I heard something else off in the distance. Well, at least there's a lot of nature sounds here to listen to. Okay, according to Google, this is Gilmer Falls. We gotta walk a little ways to check it out. No overnight camping. Hey, you got snow. I can get the poop off my shoe.
Grind that shit. We're following Terry to see if she does the shit shovel again. Got shit on my shoes.
Do the shit twist. Do the shit twist.
The idea is not to step in shit. That way you don't have to do the shit shovel all the way down. Some days you dodge it, some days you step in it.
Can't dodge it if you don't even freaking see it. Now, Google called this a picnic park, but there are no picnic tables or shelters or anything of that sort. But oh,
And there's the falls.
this pretty little creeky.
Ooh, big falls.
Sometimes these little baby ones are cuter than the big ones. Yeah, the middle of February, and look at this. No snow.
Oh, no shooters.
It's just amazing. But we'll probably get dumped when it's time for spring.
Next month is dope month.
Yeah. Yeah, hopefully it gets nice instead of wintry. Still don't hear any water. Hopefully we'll see something around that corner up there.
Finally, the famous YouTuber come all hiding. I ain't hiding no more.
We are back. Back in the saddle again.
Hey, that's something. We got this kind of weather, and Mr. Jim Hayes had a hike through snow.
Yes, that was quite something.
Then where we planned on going to New Mexico and Arizona for winter, we decided not to go. It got snowed on.
Yeah, and we're having the nicest Wisconsin winter we've ever had in our lifetimes.
My 63 years there.
Yeah.
I got the shitter woman on tape.
I hear the Great Northern Shih Tzu. Shih Tzu, get it?
Yeah, you're so funny. You brought that up all by yourself.
I didn't even realize that until I said it. Shih Tzu. Huh. What's happening here? Not hearing any water, not seeing any sign of a river.
You're like 0 for 2, aren't you? I see a snowbank down there. Does that help you?
Not really.
See a snowbank?
Does that look like water? Yeah, there's water down there, but it's still, I don't see no rapids or anything.
It's frozen.
And if that's water down there, then this road is starting to go away from the river. I didn't see any trail that went down, broke off this road, did you?
No.
Yeah, there's definitely water there, so we're by the river.
All frozen up in this.
Oh, the road curves back that way. Okay, I thought it went that way.
There you go, thinking again.
So we might have a chance yet to find some falls. Or more than likely rapids. Oh, here's a trail going to the river. At least it looks like it is, but still don't hear any water. Yeah, I think on the map they have you come up to here and then go down this trail here.
Sure.
But I'm thinking they close it off because this is private property over here. Oh, I think I finally hear water. It sounds like it's up that way, and that I don't know if that trail keeps going or not.
Let's take a look. I'm saying that's up that way, but I saw I look down there. So I ain't going on a steep embankment. That's a danger. Yeah, it's up there.
Oh yeah, some people have walked down this way, but yeah, there's the river right there.
But the falls up there.
Yeah, and at last I finally hear some water running.
Actually, you see them. Eventually we used to be able to drive down this far.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Then they closed it off.
Yeah, because they mentioned something about private property, so I bet you people were going on that property and stuff.
Probably going down here, picking all over the field.
Yeah, right. Yeah, this looks like it used to be a parking area here. Oh, we only got, what, about 100 feet to go?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that looks like a big rock down there. That must be what they call the rock. Ooh, that looks pretty neat down there.
Cool.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to check out all these rocks and everything.
Well, now you're only 0 for 1.
Yeah, this one didn't turn out to be a dud at all. Well, the last one wasn't really a dud. It's just that they're cleaning it all out, so. Ooh, look at that rock over there. That is cool. I wonder if we can get to that rock.
Who you want?
That rock over there with the trees in, you think we can get to it? Let's check it out and see. Doesn't look like...
walk over there?
Yeah. But
How about zoom it?
oh, no. Doesn't look like it, but we'll check it out. First, I want to look over here.
Oh, that's all windy right there.
Oh, wow. This is so cool. I can see why they call it the rock, that's for sure. Oh, beautiful. Okay, let's go do some exploring down here. Good thing it's not snowy and icy, or we wouldn't be able to walk on these rocks.
Well, you can't get over that rock, but you know, that rock will come down to the middle of it.
Oh, cool. Oh, this is just wow. Oh, I just love places like this. Let's see what we got over here. And cut across this one here. Oh yeah, I can get across there. Definitely not as sure-footed as I used to be. So, which way do I want to go here? So I don't break my knees. Okay, let's go check this spot out. Woo! Don't want to fall in the crevasse. there used to be a bridge. Definitely the remnants of something there. Huh. Actually, it looks like there's a trail over on the other side too. So I bet you they had a bridge there at one point or other. Goodbye, Gilmore Falls. It's been a pleasure meeting you. So that was a nice adventure, getting out on this beautiful wintry day before the snow hits tonight.